Hey guys, Raw and Real with Temperance.
Hey buddy, from the heart to the lips to the air.
Chat about balance. You know, balance in life has to be. It's got to be done nowadays, you know. Whether it be spiritually, whether it be logically, mentally, emotionally, it all comes with a maturity. A lot of the times you have to deal with physical balance. Maybe that's the one thing you actually are out of alignment with when it comes to different things. I think of Karate Kid and what Miyagi said about balance for whole life, you know? And that's what I intend to do, to inspire. So I balance, obviously. I'll push myself. It's a long log. Do it physically. Balance yourself physically. Challenge yourself. I hear you over there, dickity-dee-dee. Just a quick minute. The amount of awareness that comes with true balance, but it's true balance for your own being, your own soul. You know? It's all individual, but it is key. It is success. It's a blessing. So, where are you? Sassy's way down there. From the heart to the lips to the air. Wow, what a gorgeous little bit of a snowfall we got. Take care, guys.